Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert standard time to military time, or the 24-hour format in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll be able to format any column of time data so it looks crisp, clear, and perfectly standardized, whether you're tracking work schedules, managing event logs, or just geeking out over spreadsheets like I do. Let's get right into it. First things first, we need to start by selecting the time data that you want to convert. Go ahead and find the cells in your spreadsheet that contain the times. Maybe it's a whole column or just a handful of rows. Click and drag to highlight those cells. If you've never selected a range before, just click on the top cell, hold down your mouse button, and drag down to the last one you want to include. That ensures all the times you want to format will be changed together, instead of doing them one at a time. With your time data highlighted, look up at the top menu bar in Google Sheets. You'll see the option labeled Format near the top. Go ahead and click that. From the drop-down, hover over Number, and you'll see some default options for various formats like currency, percent, and date. What we want isn't listed yet, so we're going to go a step further and choose Custom Date and Time. This is where the magic happens, because we get to set up exactly how we want our times to display. Now you'll see a formatting window pop up where you can customize each component of the time. Take your time exploring this menu. If you've never seen it before, it's surprisingly powerful. To make military time work, we want to be very precise here. Let's start with the hours. You'll notice a drop-down for the hours section. Click it and make sure it's set to hours with leading 0. This means, for example, that 7 a.m. will show as 7 and not just 7. Having those leading zeros is not just for looks. It matters, because it keeps your columns tidier and easier to sort, especially if you have double-digit and single-digit hours mixed together. Next, do the same for the minute setting. Make absolutely sure that minutes will also display with a leading 0, so times like 2:05 are not just 2:5 but appear as 02:05. This creates that clean, standardized look, the kind of thing accountants and data analysts love to see. Here's a critical part: we need to remove the AM/PM indicator. Military time doesn't use AM or PM because the hour value itself tells you whether it's morning or night. For example, 1 p.m. as military time is 13:00. So in the custom format setup, you'll see AM/PM somewhere in the formatting line. Just click the little X or trash can next to it to delete that section. If you miss this, your times will still show AM or PM and won't be proper military time. Once you've set hours and minutes with leading zeros and removed AM/PM, take a quick look to double-check your setup. If it looks good, like 13:45 instead of 1:45 p.m., then you're ready. Just click the Apply button at the bottom of the window and Google Sheets will convert all your selected times into crisp, correct military time. That's it. If you got stuck or if your times look weird, don't worry. Sometimes Sheets tries to guess the format. You might need to double check that your raw data is actually stored as time values, not plain text. If you need extra help with that, let me know down in the comments. Congratulations, you've just brought a whole new level of professionalism to your spreadsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, drop your questions or tips in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Google Sheets tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.